Good morning, guys. Up bright and early. Another day of salmon fishing. Not even sure if you guys can see me right now. Probably look like a rabid animal. Been living in the tent, on and off, most days for about 2 months. So, starting to feel it. It's king season though. Been a blast. Season's kind of starting to wind down for us, so gonna try to film a little different video for you. Gonna do a more of a vlog style today. Just show you guys what a actual day of salmon fishing looks like, start to finish. So yeah, we're gonna get after it. Gotta go snag some coffees and start loading the raft up. Got a little chilly last night. Got a little shimmer to me. Get this thing into a sauna, warm me up real quick. Get some coffee. Guys, we got the truck warming up. Still waking up here. We got 6 rows that were air drying last night. Tossed them in bags. We're gonna hit the road. All we're doing here, laying on this paper towel, wrapping them up. We're gonna get 8 today, hopefully. Rows, loaded up, ready to go. We got the raft on. Next stop is definitely some coffee. Gonna have to work. Coffee secured. Time to hit the river. Let's go time. Raft's in the water, rowing down to the first hole. I think it's gonna be an awesome morning. Got a little breeze, super fishy day it's feeling like. Quite a bit of boats out today, so we're just rowing down the river trying to find a hole right now. Alright, raft's in the water, parked in our first hole in the morning. Feeling pretty fishy out here today. Got some clouds, some overcasts. Weather cooled down pretty good last night. Been on a pretty consistent stick bite in the morning, so we're gonna get tossing some sticks around. Hopefully we can grab one. I got it.
Well, good and a bad problem to have this morning. There's too many fish in the hole to run hardware. Foul hooked too many fish. Got one to eat. It's time to feed them some eggs. Hopefully they're hungry for the berries this morning. Still on it. He was on it all. That didn't take long. Good start to the morning. There he is. First landed fish of the morning. I think we're in for a good one today. Hooked a handful already. Got a nice mama in here. Can't beat these cold mornings, guys. Cold weather's got him chomping. Oh, there he is. Absolutely no shortage of this size of fish around this year. They're either this size or massive. Really not sure why that is. Be sure to let me know in the comments. I really don't know why there's a pile of jacks in here this year. Seem to be absolutely everywhere. Let me know what you guys think. But they're biting. I'm gonna get back in there.
That's a nasty bobber down.
Well, mornings like this get me smiling ear to ear. Good night. That thing whooped me. Big old fresh mama. Actually a clip fish. That's crazy. That's the first clip fish I've ever caught out of here. Pretty sweet. Ate a giant ball of berries. It doesn't get no better than king season, guys. Sad to see the season kind of starting to wind down a little bit, but fresh fish like this might be around for a little longer. I'm gonna set this big old girl free and we're gonna get back in there and keep smoking them. Well, not bad to start the morning off here whatsoever. Weatherman was wrong per usual. It's supposed to be overcast and far from overcast. Fish don't seem to care at all though. Honestly, it's been better on sunny days than cloudy days this year, which is so backwards for what it's been for me the past couple seasons, but no complaints here with a bite like this. You guys should be seeing some pretty sweet bobber downs in this one. Shane's been doing a pretty good job of tracking these things up. Tons of footage to get back and chop up. Super excited to look at all this footage we got over the past couple days. I'm gonna jump back in that hole, put a big old fat piece of bait on, see what it eats.
Got him. Another freaking
those days, they're just eating literally the membrane. It's like my egg gets washed out and they chomp it. Well, no GoPro today. I've filmed so much stuff over the past couple days that we're completely out of SD cards. Had to pull a little switcheroo, put the GoPro card in the big cam. No complaints though. Get some pretty cool footage for you guys today. Bite some pretty solid. Absolute unit. Michigan Kangas right there. Skein muncher. Hard to even call it a skein, that was a membrane muncher. Way too much fun. Not hooking a ton this morning, but landing the ones that were hooking, so I guess I will certainly take that. It's been an absolute blast this morning. We are gonna grab some pictures of this big old dude and we're gonna keep catching them. Alrighty, one more look at this big old dude. Set him free. That's what it's all about right there. Fun morning. Putting some fish on the bank. Just gonna keep sitting here for Lord knows how long, and might not move all day. I don't know. There's fish moving up. There's fish moving down. Might park in here all day, have some lunch, catch some fish. So it's gonna be a good day, I think.
What happened there?
Well, the boat above us just struck a fish. Had a little reaction. I turned my head, gave it a gander. Turned back and my float was gone. Sea feeds again. Like if you've messed a rubber up, like you got your money's out of it. You just keep super gluing the boat. Ooh.
Got him. Another one.
We're whipping on them now. Easy release. Another little small jack. That's the best I think Garth there is popped next to the shore. Minus like a couple hallmark holes that they're always in on like the upper stretch.
There he is. Oh, he's gone.
Gotta be one biter back there today.
Yes, there is. He's still on. He's still on. He's still on. Just charge.
Oh.
Got to speak it into existence.
Mm-hmm.
The bite actually slowed down pretty good here this afternoon. It's about 12 o'clock, I believe. Just gave the hole a pretty good resting. Still fish pushing around. It's time to get back in there and see if that rest didn't do anything for us. Well, the clouds came out and we cannot seem to buy a bite anymore. No idea what is happening. That's happened to me like 3 or 4 times this year, to where the bite's great when the sun's out and clouds come out and we can't buy a bite. Usually the complete opposite for me for salmon. Not really sure what's happening here. Well, we're gonna keep working for them though. Could just be not in the right run, not in the right hole. We're gonna keep working downriver. See if we can't find some more biters.
it. Got him.
That one left me with a mess. Still fun sticking him though. We just missed one off camera. Just a little change of plans. Had to move holes, found a new little spot, and they're actually biting here, so I'm happy. Huge fresh pieces today.
That was the first thing he told us yesterday.
Yeah.
It's like they just want huge globs. Not that.
Yep. That was giant.
Well, we are just getting back to my property right now. It is, let's check out what time it is here. 10:12. We didn't fish the whole evening, fished about a whole day. Stopped by the time we cleaned fish and got a bite to eat and a drink, and came back here and got ready for bed. It's already 10 o'clock, so long day, but a fun day. Figure we show you guys what a realistic day of salmon fishing looks like. It's a grind, but it's, as you can tell from the video, lots of fun. We had a blast today. Had a really good morning bite. Kind of slowed out throughout the day, but still was able to find some, pick away at them. Got into a decent little bite before we left in the evening. But my king season is actually wrapping up. Only got a couple more days left before I head back home, and got to start chasing after the toothy fish, the pike and muskie. But let us know if you guys enjoyed this style of content. Try doing more of the whole vlog thing today. So if you guys enjoyed more of that, be sure to let us know in the comments. We are gonna get some bed. I think we're both smoked from a long day. We're getting at it again tomorrow. So catch you guys in the next video. Appreciate you sticking around.